2021 4K73. So it's related concern registration magic. Here you see here. The affected version is, I think, any version less than 5.1.7. So we're gonna to download the fifth version here to test. You should click Advanced View to download such specific version. Then you choose the only version here from download. So I'm already, in fact, by the way, I'm already download the fifth version here. By the way, the issue were fixed or patched in the recent versions. So I have downloaded these two versions. We are going to use this. Also, I would like to mention we are not going to test it in local environments because it requires an SSL to be valid and activated, which requires some time. By this, we are going to use test it in my live site you see here. Which I own. So I own this site. We're going to test it against this site. All you need to upload the plugin and install and activate. In this tutorial, I'm not going to show you how to install plugin or to activate it. In fact, I already installed and activate the concerned plugin here. You see here, which is the fifth version. So after activating and installing it, we have to go to PoC. Then click login, select this form. Then you have to activate the social login on Facebook. Then enable, you need to enable, and here add just anything here just to activate and click save. After this, you are going to log out. We are going to login page. So my WordFence post, after activating the social login, you will see some nouns here concerning the social login, which is required to be supplied, by the way, into registration magic login social user hook. All these nouns required for this, besides the user email and so besides the user email, which is required to so let's test it before creating the nuclei template. So I have to go to login page, then click view source here. You will see the nouns, therefore handle data function. You will see the nouns here. As per WordFence post, it will be supplied into the registration page, magic login social user, besides the email and besides email, yes, of course. So just would like to mention that will not works if you have Lightspeed cache enabled. So you have to disable the Lightspeed cache or purge it to works fine. So we have to test it before we produce or work through the nuclei templates. So we know that this requires you know the such user email, so which is required for this pack. You see here allowed here, and we got the cookie for the admin. So we have to taste it. So we are going to use uh, sorry for this. So we are going to create request like this using this fresh so it's already produced the fresh request, if I can say. So let's just execute it and see the dashboard here. We're going to see the dashboard here. Click with open with Firefox to see what we have, if already succeed or not. So it's already succeed and logged as admin here. You see we have logged out, and so that's the exact page we got after executing the request here. So that's approved that it works fine, and so let's produce most of this produce, but I already produced the nuclei template here, just we have to test it, execute it. so it works fine. So this template, the, the first step for this template is submit the first request to get the nonce. Then we have to submit the second request to get the cookie for such user. Then, assuming we are admin, this will change later. We did this template to change it later to be supplied into the CLI command. Then we have to perform the third request to WP dashboard. So this dashboard for any existing user will work for any existing user. Then serve for log out, which means that we already succeed to log it in, so the bug it works, and the CVE means we're validated successfully. That's what I'd like to show in this video. Thanks for watching and see you again.